Hi. Oh, wait, hold on a sec. Here's how to instantly look good on Zoom with glasses. So that way you can stop your computer screen from reflecting onto your glasses. And all it takes is this magical object that lies inside this very case. No joke, this thing's only 13 US dollars. Okay, ready to see inside? Ta-da! This is a circular polarizing filter. It's a small one, but oh my, this thing is magical. So typically photographers or filmmakers will put polarizers on their fancy cameras to help reduce glare, kind of like when you wear polarized sunglasses. And although this one was originally made for phone cameras, I tested it out and it works perfectly with webcams and computer cameras. This thing is magical. All right, let me show you. And of course, the link to this polarizer is below in the description. Okay, so we have Zoom opened up and you can see the glare of my computer screen on my glasses. Like, especially when I move my head around, like you could really see it. So let's take our nice polarizer. We're going to take the cap off and we're just going to clip this over our webcam. And now the glare is gone. Now you can adjust this polarizer by just turning the filter clockwise or counterclockwise. And so you could see like the glare will like come back or it'll disappear. So obviously you want it to be gone. So turn it in whichever direction it needs to go so the glare disappears. And there we go. That's how easy it is. Now, some quick tips here though. If your computer is like mine, there's a green light that tells you that your camera is on. So if you just simply put the polarizer like in the middle over it, you're going to get that green. Kind of reminds me of Northern Lights. Not that I've ever seen them in real life. You want to cover it up. So just move the filter so that the frame of the filter covers up that light. And then see how there's still some glare on the bottom of the screen? You just want to adjust it so that you get rid of all of that. So kind of move it a little over. There we go. And it also fits over webcams. Magical. I want to say magicness, but that's not a word. Okay, I also want to give you some other lighting tips to help you reduce glare from other light sources you may have. For example, if you have a window behind your computer, you may get additional glare from your window. So just turn that polarizer, see if you can get rid of all the glare on your glasses. If not, you may have to close your window. And if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I absolutely am a fan of lights, because lights for video make us look great. And this one right here is my favorite desk light. In fact, my next YouTube video is gonna be all about this light, so I'll put the link to that video right up here. So to get rid of the glare in glasses from the ring light, I want you to imagine a clock. You're at the center of the clock, your camera is at 12 o'clock, and you'll want to place your ring light between 2 or 3 o'clock or 9 and 10 o'clock. So to get rid of the ring light reflection in our glasses, simply move your ring light over to the side here. We're gonna put it at about 10 o'clock and you can still see it right over there. So we're going to put our light up higher, basically above us and then angled down. And that takes care of it. Now, to film yourself professionally on a phone, then make sure and download my free guide and training video. You'll learn how to create a set in any location. No, you don't need an Instagrammable house. You'll also learn how to light yourself so you look better on video than in real life, and so much more. So just click the link in the description below. Alrighty, if you loved this video, or just liked it even, I would love it if you gave it that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments too if this was helpful. I would love to hear from you. Alrighty, I'll see you later.